The challenges that the KT4D project was designed to face are ones that we all probably experience, but no one really knows quite how to get around them. The problems that we see with advanced knowledge technologies coming into conflict with democratic values. What we think we can do uniquely in this consortium is to use the insights from culture and the humanities to actually forward that mission. Our transdisciplinary consortium has designed a number of really important outputs towards this aim of addressing the problems of democracy and civic participation coming into conflict with advanced knowledge technologies. First of all, we have our social risk toolkit. This will be a set of research modules exploring some of these aspects of culture that we think are really holding us back from addressing the questions of democracy and tension with technology. But we'll also have a number of really important innovation outputs. We'll be looking at a different kind of training activity, one that isn't about becoming aware of how to program, but about how to understand the programs that shape our lives. We'll also be looking at some innovative ways of facing regulation, toolkits for policymakers, but also for software developers who want to learn to self-regulate in a more holistic, imaginative way. And finally, we'll be building our Citizens Democracy Lab. This is a great experiment in trying to both understand how systems that use personal data to enhance democratic participation can be built, but also how we can form people to know how to use them well. One of the key aspects of what we're planning to do will be delivered through our 4 use cases. We didn't think that we could develop this kind of technology without having the people who will ultimately use it be intimately involved in that development. So we have 2 use cases specifically addressing citizen groups, and those will be in Warsaw and Madrid so that we get a sense of different cultural contexts with this kind of adaptation. We also have 1 use case specifically aimed at policymakers, which will be based in Brussels, and 1 use case also based in Dublin, which will be looking more at software developers and industry players. The thing about the use cases that's really interesting is that each one will have 3 interactions. The first one will be about a participatory design session. The second one will be an investigation of our Digital Democracy Lab. And the third one will be a valorization meeting to look at the results we have and help us to understand how best to integrate them into the user communities.